This is the Kaiweets KM601 Digital Multimeter. You have the outer case, user manual, test leads, thermocouple, 2 sets of alkaline batteries. I'm going to get into that later. And lastly, here is the digital multimeter itself, the Kaiweets KM601. I've never been so excited about reviewing a product in a very long time. And in this video, we're going to go over why. Just take a look at this. So much function, and it's like the size of my cell phone, a little bit bigger. Look at that. This is the Google Pixel 4a. So the first thing we're going to have to do to turn this on is take the outer casing off, get a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the back plate to put the batteries in. And one thing I might note, because you have to screw the panel in and unscrew the screw to get the batteries in and out, you might want to go with lithium batteries instead of the ones that come with the package. Why is that? That's because lithium batteries, over time, they won't leak. Here's what the battery looks like without the case. There's that screw I was telling you about. Looks like there's a flashlight on the back. And you also have the no contact voltage tester right in the top. Now I don't have the lithium batteries, they're on the way, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to install the batteries that came with. User manual here states, long press for about 2 seconds, button will turn on the meter, auto will be displayed on the screen, and the pointer will swing itself by scaling the smart mode. And then it tells you how to insert the leads. There it goes, it automatically turns on. And you can see here it's flashing these first 2 lights. And that's where you want to plug in the COM and the other test lead. Here are the test leads, unwrapped. They got little caps right on here. Plug in COM. Alright, so this battery right here is by Sony, and it's for one of my cameras. And I just want to make sure that it's working properly. And you can see here, if not, I'm going to read it out to you, that this battery is 3.6 volts. Terminal connections right here, positive and negative. 4.127 volts, so we're getting more than what's rated on the battery. What's rated on the battery is 3.6 volts. So I know this battery is good. Here's another one of my older Canon camera batteries. Positive terminals on the left, negative terminals on the right. We want to get 7.2 volts. Let's see. 8.174 volts. Awesome. This battery's good. And this is an Olight. It's a RCR123A. And I've had my questions and doubts about this battery because I've had it for a long time. And I just want to see here, the voltage is 3.7 volts. Let's take a look. 4.118. Still good. So here's a couple examples of 9-volt batteries that are no longer good. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, the first one. .6, 4.5 out of a 9-volt battery. That's not good. Here's the other one. 7.0 out of a 9-volt battery. Not good.